Good evening everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about daily routine. Why should we have a perfect daily routine? And so I create video for a spoken English and my dear friends. And today, so please let's with me. And why we should have a good daily routine for our life. And so many students they don't know what is good daily routine and perfect daily routine, so it's very important for everyone in life. And so you must make a good daily routine for your life. And so in this way, so we can make a good life and we can success. Okay, so daily routine makes people perfect. Okay, and so that's why we must have a good daily routine. Okay, so how to make good daily routine? So it means firstly this video is only on for students. Okay, so we get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. And so why we get up in morning? So when we get up in morning, so that time we feel better. Okay, and that's why we must get up in the morning. Okay, and my dear friends, and after that you must do exercise, because when we do exercise, so exercise make very flexible us. And so that's why good daily routine and so exercise is very important, my dear friends. Okay, and after that you take some rest after exercising, and you must read 2 hours in morning, and after that you get ready for your coaching. And so you go your coaching, and so after completing coaching you came come at your room, and you must take some rest for 10 minutes. Okay, after that you prepare food, and after that you eat and you take some rest, and you can use your phone. Okay, and so in this way, after that you must read in day 3 hours or 4 hours. After that if you have class evening class, so you can go evening class, and you come your evening class and you sit for a study, and you continuously study 3 hours in evening, and after that you make food with your room partner. And so in this way you can make your daily